Alright, Pressure Man here. Just doing some wiring up. So I want to shoot this quick little film because I'm hooking my toggle switch up. And back here on the back side, I need my ground to hook up to the toggle plus hook up to the battery source. So what I'm attempting to do is make a T right here on my ground wire. So I made two little splits there. I got my wife's eyebrow razor and attempting to cut through this installation of the wire, which I'm not sure. This may not be sharp enough. Let's see. Seems like it's going. Okay. So boom. Yeah, and I got that open right there like so. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll take my grippers, which I have a whole bunch of other features here on my my crimpers. This is a 10 gauge wire here. So what I want to do is take a good nice piece, about an inch or so. Okay. And we want to get inside this installation here. Okay. We'll go ahead and slide that back, get that out of there. So this should be a good amount that we're going to use to make our T. I might need a little more, I'm not sure. So what we want to do is we want to kind of break this in half and open it up and create some space here like this, just like that. See how I'm getting some space in there like that. And what I want to do is I want to fan this out like this, make a nice little fan. Okay, I might need to twist it first. Well, I'll twist it like this first so I can get it through. And then after I'll twist it, after I get it through, I'll fan it out and I'll show y'all how I'm gonna do this. Let me see if I can open this a little more. And I'm gonna put this right in between there, like so. Okay. Alright. There's a couple ways you can do this and twist this up. I'm gonna separate this into two. Like so. And I'll take this one. This might be too thick to do it this way.
Mind if you take a look at your bag? Whatever.
Twist that like so. On this side. And take the other one. Twist that around like this. On that side. I might need a little bit more to twist it around.
I found out you exchanged in Australia. I gotta go back over everything.
And that's our T right there, which should hold pretty good. I'll add some electrical tape I picked up from Ace Hardware. I think this was like $1.99, and I'll make sure everything is taped up pretty tight. And then I'll put my connector on right here, and I'll be able to put the ground connector to the toggle and still run my ground to the battery. Alright, Pressure Man here. Getting ready to unveil my design that I built with my my mount for my soft wash pump, and got everything all hooked up, all wired up, and I'm kind of excited to see how it works. I was waiting on my toggle switch to come in, which is an LED toggle switch, and we're going to go ahead and flip the switch and see what we get. Oh, that's pretty dope. I like that. I like that. And see, the great thing about these Everflo pumps, you can run them dry to, I think just to test them out. I don't think you should run them dry for too long, but you know, just to see if your power and everything is hooked up and working right. For this test, that was pretty great. I'm gonna shut the lights off and see if we can see how the LED light looks in the dark. Oh, that's great. Pump sounds amazing. I can't wait to hook it up. Pressure man.
I feel thorns where my crown was. I'll be weak, but I'm alive from the dust until dawn. Yeah, I'll survive, cause I got sweet